Yeah, man, this is public report. And guess what? You don't know some family me say. But guess what? I'm gonna post episode 1 and episode 2 of long distance relationship just to put it in a one place. You know what I mean? Thanks everybody who has support the movement. Thanks everybody who are, just believe in the whole journey. And thanks to be a part of my journey. You know what I mean? And I really appreciate you. For the day one them and the ones them are just meet your new brother. You know what I mean? Respect and manners and thanks again. So as me say, it's the one I want to look a bit short and people when vex and all them things about you don't know say love is the word. Alright, so do the right thing. Share, like, comment, and I appreciate you with that.
You subscribe yet?
Babe, warning. This all of me call if we wake up to go work. You're gonna late. I'm see, you're the 1 hour ahead of me. Right, you're gonna late. You call me one time I call me, my answer same time, me the in the bathroom and clean. See, you now get up. No, you have to get up now. Alright. No, come back and I come out to the shower.
Number 4, yeah?
May I come?
Hello? Mr. Roxanne?
Morning, you're not one time in the year, my answer you?
No, I mean,
Come,
just did a check.
Inside. No, come inside.
Where we going? Upstairs?
Yes, sir. Take off your shoes.
No problem.
Thanks. So this now, the water now run down fast enough, but when I try to clean it, it's like nothing in there. It looks clean to me. I don't know what the issue. Whenever I wash the dishes, then it take forever for the water to go down. So I'm not sure.
And you don't have a water problem at?
No, man.
No. Okay.
Because it works fine. Water just now, you see, it now go down fast enough.
It's a good thing you call me. Yeah, man, I can sort this out.
Alright.
I can definitely sort this out.
Can discuss payments after because money is not really the issue. But alright. Okay.
No problem, man. As we say, the right person here for the job, man. Trust me.
Alright.
I will get this fixing in no time.
Alright, thanks. My room is on the left, so you can just call me.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Hello? Miss Roxanne.
Yeah?
Miss Roxanne, the guy makes
Yes. Talk to me now what the issue.
Like Ali.
So if it's a lead, that means it would have gone faster.
It's not saying fix it. I mean, block it. I stop it. It won't fix. I can't fix it, you know. No, man, make it run. Make it run.
No, because you help me pay my bill.
Miss Roxanne, I'm the professional. You call the professional. Make a professional doing job.
Yeah, but me I tell you say the water go down slow, so when you turn on the pipe and fill up this whole place start wet up.
I still make it go down fast. I'm going to make it run very fast.
Well, when you figure out, oh, you go down fast, now turn on back the pipe. Cause you know what you do?
I know what I do with Miss Roxanne. You know, man. Just go back in the room and give me 5 more minutes and then you call him.
So you never call me for nothing.
I call him to tell you, I find the problem.
And it's a leak and that's the issue?
And I'm going to tell you now, when you go in the room and come back, I'm going to tell you how the solution is.
Me if you could call my man and ask me if this makes sense.
No need to call nobody. I am the professional. Just leave it to me. Good?
So babe, the pipe when me that tell us that now work, I call the plumber to fix it time and tell him so the reason why the water now go down fast enough because it's a leak. I mean if that makes sense. So call me back as soon as you left work and let me know.
Very nice style. I like this model with the style job. Solid man.
Listen, about the pipe. When you figure it out, you call me.
As I said, 5 minutes time I call her. Marco. Yeah man. Ababel. Yo, watch out. Pwede bang work out by the yeah. And may I fix one thing in a sneakers. If I want a round top, no, I like it. If I have square, you know what? If I have shine, and I pour it, and the water now go down properly. And you don't know around the bus, but you want to fix it right? No! But she's so nice, so I phone and Jesus Christ, this will never come over and why? You want to fix everything, and then you won't fix no. Hear me, I said. Just tell me how to fix it right now, because I don't say to fix this, they can't get in there. Yeah, man. Alright. So, you have one pipe on the left and one pipe on the right. One of them have single running, and this one have. But the problem is the water now go down fast enough, she said. How we find out if I clog it plug? She hot water in the night. So if you hot water in the night, I didn't have a fix. But we don't want to fix it yet. You sure? And she look on you. Well, I mean, mostly I look on her, you know? So, I try to draw that level. You know what? If anything, I can't fix it, I can't come make it single again now. Yeah? Alright. Sure. Miss Roxanne!
I know I'm still there. You figure out the issue now? May I tell you, I call the man from 8 o'clock after 2 now and he just a come and tell my boss say, me didn't remember when he tell me say why the water not go down. He say a leak why the water not go down. I don't know what the issue. You call me, yes. No, when I don't talk to you, I call her back.
You might have a serious problem. You might have a serious problem. I check it and I double check it. I realize it. You see, you throw too much things down in this thing here. And the things
Like food.
And the things when you throw in it, it end up grow. And it grow and swell and turn crosses in your clogging. And so the crosses in the clogging now, I go, I take out little now, but I don't have material left. And so I go come back tomorrow and finish fixing.
So normally when you go on one job, you're not supposed to expect the unexpected. Because I feel like a simple something this you should have what you need, you know.
You're right. But this is not a normal job, Miss Roxanne. For if you can see what I am seeing, you don't want to come back tomorrow too.
Alright, listen, come back after come in the morning.
I don't want to come every day. I mean, come very what time you say is the good time?
You can't come in the morning because I have stuff to do and I want to cook my food and the kitchen now work as it should. I mean that hope say you could have get it done now.
I want to do it today too, but
So you could have go and come back. Go get the things and come back.
I want to come back, Mr. Roxanne, I swear. I have other things to sort out. I have a piece of pressure pipe here. And it all for bus and the pattern like, you will make a bit longer. I swear.
Alright, listen, I go pay for your services today and you just come in the morning.
I don't want it right now. Can give you a light one time. But not right now. Mr. Roxanne, your problem can't fix, man.
So why?
And
Okay.
if I couldn't fix it, I'd tell you I can't fix it. But I see what is the problem. And I can tell you, your pipe is definitely leaking.
It a leak, or it clog up. Because personally, me feel like say if it's a leak, you would have go down faster, you know. So you tell me say it's a leak, you tell me say which one? Listen, one the pipe fixed today.
Sasha, are you go a university for 10 years?
But it sound like you don't learn much because you don't know what you do, obviously. You tell me say it's a leak, you tell me say it clog up, make up your mind. Here, go and go get your tools and come back in the morning. I'll be expecting you. You see, same way you come in and the same way out. Down the stairs and the big door, alright? Wait there, make me call you right back. No, me call you back. Javia, what you mean and what?
What you mean? Road as you can see.
Tone down and walk me this.
This is my room. What you mean by open this?
You get big Javia, open the door.
What you mean?
Open, don't play with me. Do not play with me.
Why you stepping in my room like this? What is man?
Which part you come from?
Are you
Your bag, well packed and everything. Tell me where you come from.
What you mean when me I come from? But you that because you're a big city, you feel like you want to come over for me. Is what?
Okay, Javia, listen to me. For me under the roof, for me as a bigger sister, you need to tell me when you leave the yard. I'm serious. So if you go for another and something happens to you, what would I tell me?
Me there here and nothing happens to me. You see a sketch from me?
You know, so I never know to leave the yard until me hear the door closed. All of them think you're in here. I swear to you.
What you mean by me not? Me supposed to, me a kid? Me supposed to come here?
Exactly. That's why me I tell us I did not know that you left the house because me now watch you like that. So what are the nights to
So
tell
because
me
if
say
you're there on your phone 24/7, who you going to know that me gone?
Child, listen to me. Listen to me. When
Okay,
you
big sis. Mommy,
do
okay.
not play with me.
Okay, mommy.
when you leave the yard, tell me say you leave the yard. Something other than that? I mean, be for real, so if you go up on the road and something happen to you.
So, go on how long and you just realize something?
Yes, because
and you call yourself a big sis? Like, come on.
Because you're a big girl and I feel like you're supposed to know, so when you go up on the road, you're supposed to tell me say you go up on the road. That's all I ask for you enough to tell me say you go up on the road.
You want to know where me come from?
Since you give me attitude, I'm going to give you attitude. Where you come from?
Me man yard. In obvious. In obvious.
You ready for man? You ready for man?
You ready for man?
Girl, don't play with me. Until the smile off your face and me I talk to you. Where you come
because
from?
This is so funny. This is so funny. You're not my mother. Get that in your head.
What take care of you?
That no matter. Me can't
take care of man, them way you have make sure them feed you.
Them can't feed
and don't come back to
one thing with me not go up my foot and don't collect money. Let me tell you that.
Do not come back to me come ask me for nothing more. You hear little pitney?
Okay.
Me not play. Okay. Can you see a man, how much money you have? The man where you talk to him how much money you go to the road to? I'm going to get people to say the second time you live out of the house. Two minutes not the first time, I give you space. Don't play with me. Where you come from?
Me just tell you.
Where you go? Where you go? Where they are Petersfield? Which part you go? Why you sleep out and don't tell me that? And
if you're a big sister, and if you did care and never care about your man, where you chat 24/7, you don't even know when the America do, you go like say you is perfect. Make you not talk. Just stop invading my privacy. Because you feel like you're so perfect because your man the American, you the Jamaican, you keep like. Well, me not keep like to no boy. Me tell you that. I'm gonna have at least all 4 or more as well. I get money, I get things. And that's how the world goes.
As so you look on him?
Yeah.
As so you look on him? Mm-hmm. Me have not more.
You know where your man in America do?
You know when the America do?
Yeah.
You the over there pursue me do?
Yeah.
You see, until in give me the dose, you can't tell me anything. You hear me I tell her? And do not talk about my man. Do not talk about him. You ever hear me in my quarrel yet? No.
You're not gonna cry with him in front of me because
well, you know, say me never yet quarrel and he never yet do me anything. So I don't know why you there start jump up on the table. If me know what him do. That not have nothing to do with you. You just watch what you do with the look yourself and watch what you fling your body. Because STD and STI are something to play with.
Okay, Miss Perfect.
Take my foolish advice.
Okay, yeah? Miss Perfect. You don't know.
You tell money I'll if you again, you know.
You don't know.
Alright.
Go on now.
Alright, Miss Javia.
Yeah, they out here be liar. Two man where they are American. You know what man they are friend I do? Idiot.
Hey, babes.
Wow.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Well, not really.
Yeah.
Everybody there has to me and be loyal to you, the overseas and I don't know what I do. And sometimes I actually have a little bit of those.
You know, boy, you know, somebody know. You see, Friday evening when I call them, I know something alright to them ears in their voice, you know. It's like, I know something alright. Yo, jeez, what could have caused it for real? I think that would have not loyal to you. Me hope that's a work. You know, I work, and it's really rough up here, I tell you that. Some people feel like it's foreign easy. I can't see it for myself, so it's not easy. I don't depend on them things that money I can't look be.
I don't know if I stay, I don't know if I take no more. 6 months ago.
I'll come back in the place. I don't know where. Yeah, talk about. Hello?
Get it a break up.
Yeah, your phone your phone break up.
Me I say I don't know
yeah,
what to think something. Yes, me I hear you.
No, but so who could have put them things in their mind now?
Everybody where they run so, them keep on a sing on it. Them I say I don't know where overseas I do on a 6 months ago and possible if you're in a relationship over there. But there I be loyal.
No, but baby girl, look. We have to trust each other, you know. You can't follow people, you know. If you follow people who not go no way in the relationship be. By the day, me could have over here think the same thing too. I could over here think the same thing too, you know. Because I hold it from my bridging them right now. As a year go them are gonna run off and because maybe for them woman down there do things and all them something and you know.
Okay.
Me not come myself for that. Me not come myself for that.
Well, listen, you have my trust, right? But me just tell you, say, everybody there pressure me to move on because they must say 6 months ago and you might have the things over there. I'm hope to you now, I don't know.
So me ask you one question. You want to move on?
No, if me do you want to move on, would I do this every day?
No, but so why you make you bother you for then?
Because it get me tell you, say it get to me.
No, but if it get to you, that means you think otherwise. It sounds like you want to move on.
Well, I don't want to move on. I just you want to talk about it because it bother me.
Right now, you are giving me doubts in my mind now. I don't want to think that way, but if you are going to call me I just talk Friday evening. I get everything alright. I know you are calling me now and tell me this. But if you follow people don't want to see nobody relationship going away now. Right now, you make me feel so hurt. Right now, I'm up on the record right now. Yo, I'm not even feel no vibe right now. And I bought you, I come talk to you.
Alright, babe, let's just scratch that. Make it stay.
I want to leave her, I call it. Soon call it.
Alright, later.
Yeah? Alright.
Every day the girl come pace me, she go and like say she's my mother. I call her boy, come tell me say I never did come back up, you know. Come like say you could wait for me to take care of the other girl them go here. You take so long for answer the phone, brother? Mark, you're not hearing me. What do you mean, oh, I'm so hungry? Now, my sister, as I come in, she just antagonize me and go on with herself like she's my mother. You know, I don't like the girl already. I don't know why she did. I don't know. I tell her I never did go come back up and you force me. Because I must you go as the other girl then. I'm going to come back tonight, you know. I don't want you to come up here because I don't want you to know say I'm here. You idiot. Me go and come back. You going to meet me out the road? Alright, me go bed. I go take time and come because I can't bother with fear nice in my head right now. Alright, me call you one time by Georgie Road. Alright. It looks like she over the
So when you were done, seminar coming up, please, sir.
It take time to know what you mean by you not coming down here, sir. I want this here place here, I want you for comfortable. No time I sleep down here, that way you can't sleep on your mind.
Listen, I'm not that about your sister who on this, son. Your sister, me ex, you know, you think she go alright
I
with
don't
it?
care if me did care more down there. If you like me, that's a secret. I'm not gonna say a secret forever and she have to know somewhere, somehow.
What do you mean, no? You can't tell her, we can't tell her, hide right now. I'm going to make sure me hide come back out. I just because you are going like you. Want you with a drink?
Which part in the Bible it said down there with your sister or your friend ex?
It's in there somewhere, but I don't know where there, but it's there in there.
You know matter
And
to
your
me.
and your family and them something there. You can't, it's not an eye for an eye or a tooth for a tooth.
So,
That's in the Bible there.
we are say
Me I say we if you just go and keep it on the low. And stop going. So we are going so
But
far.
you wrong too.
Wrong for do what?
Because you there with me.
So wait, 2 wrongs make a right? That you are trying to
But
tell
you
me?
never try to make a right.
But you ain't wanted to. You remember where you are going? The night I see you, it's like you just a run to me so like you wanna run out of one bush.
And you did happy, don't you?
Yeah, I'm happy but you understand so you trying to go on like say, we are going to be so blatant.
So leave it then, what you mean?
Leave what?
Just let it be. Just let it be.
Javia,
Girl, wait now.
open the door. What me door? Excuse. What one in here?
Hear me, what?
Why you smile?
What you mean why me a smile? Me hear a sleep and you come frighten me.
You can't trick me. Me there understand me here talking in here. You gotta tell me who. Girl, who in here?
Nobody not in
Me
here.
don't feel like I'm supposed to go through this because you left school. I understand you left school, right? You understand me?
So, in my room, you have a problem. I go to have a problem. In my room, you beat down. I do not tell me somebody in here.
Tone it. As a matter of fact, lock the door. Lock the door.
Come see you.
Tone it. Are we alone live over here?
Me make sure when you come in my room, I come talk about my face. Tone down five. You don't feel like come in your room, complete down, you do come accuse you of stuff.
I mean, let's say it again. I understand. You left school and you want your privacy, you want to do what you want to do, but you're still underage, you're still under marriage. You get that?
Yeah, I get that.
No, close the door again, talking. I mean, talk to me, nobody never business.
When you leave, you close the door. I don't want you.
Listen to me. Excuse on the door. Marco!
It's not what you think.
Then you tell me because you are the other 20. You know shut much, right?
She's 17. Yo, leave me alone.
Listen, understand this work.
This is why me and leave like first place.
Work, you met enough? Come back right yourself. Come back right yourself. Listen, you listen. You know say I'm an ex this. I know you're aware of that.
So?
How dare you?
How dare me?
Why everything up to be one situation with you and give my attitude? Why you give my attitude? You don't, come here.
When you leave him alone, he might trouble you?
Listen to me. Listen. I understand we not have the relationship we're supposed to have as do not give an attitude when I talk to you.
Because you don't have a loving relationship. You try to get in everything. Like why?
Because me try to protect your JV, you don't understand that?
Yeah, me get that. But you don't have to be so overprotective.
Okay. As a firm now, I'm not going to be overprotective. But look at the situation. You're there, you grew up with me. We grew up together from I know myself, I grew up with you. Right? You're there, you see how Marco cheat me. I bring Marco in your life and in my life. You're there the whole of the relationship, you see how you cheat me. You feel like you're right for you?
I know we're right for me.
Yeah.
What you want, I know we're right for me.
The conversation doesn't make sense then.
Why you feel like say because you there with the person, me can't there with the person? We happy together.
I promise you that is not what I am saying, but I am saying me bring the man in at the boat of our life and you're there and see how he cheat me. As in girlfriend. You feel
because
like
of your ways. You didn't know say I cannot even want. So there's something there with me yet. Because I'm saying want to build a perfect relationship and we just get to know each other and think and just take things slow. Just let it flow, you know? You didn't know that? You know come to me as a big sister and try to find out things. You just want.
If that why you choose to go behind my back then? Why you never come to me and tell me you like him? You sneak a man all the way up here and come and tell me about why I never come to you. When me try to talk to you, say me I invade the privacy. When me try to talk to you, say me I pry in your life, right?
This is the reason why I'm not talking to you.
But me I try to have a proper conversation. Okay, there's a chance. Tell me. What go on with you? Why you decide to sneak him up here?
You realize we not, as what you said in the first half, we not have a good relationship. Because you ever depend on your phone, you know, try to find out what going on in my life. And me ever feel people here what going on in your life. So make that make sense. You are my big sister, not me if I come to you, or you if I come to me. If I have attitude, you say you're the bigger one. You're not going to say if you judge me because honestly, if that one, you're not going to like it. But me I say, come to me and talk to me as a big sister.
Listen, JV, I'm sorry about everything, but me and them, I feel like this is the right road for you to go for.
Suppose me prove it wrong.
Well, that different. I mean, now I tell us if you're gonna get yourself hurt to prove a point, I do not do that. But if you really like him, I'm gonna make it go on. But me, I say you there and see the things I'm going to do and you have dirty ways.
Michael change.
Let's pray. Saying change for true.
Okay, we go prove it to you. We gonna prove it to you.
Javier, do not go in that relationship to prove a point.
Me not go prove a point to you. Me go in a relationship. I'm going to show you. Say, Marco is a change dude, yo.
As it says, the biggest, come here later, I can't talk to you either way now. It no matter. You're stuck in your ways. Whenever I try to talk to you, I be attitude. So I'm going to leave you and make you learn for your own. If you mean it good, well, me give thanks to that. Alright?
Okay, just watch.
Alright.
And stop barging in my room like that.
Alright, mom.
Want to this girl? I don't want to that idiot and where you run gone for? Let me call him. Marco. What you mean by where you run gone for? You look like a big idiot. You could stand up and defend me. I don't like idiot, you know. So what I must do now? Come down here, Darwa. You know what? No, I'm not come down here. I'm going to bed because I'm tired. You don't deserve nothing because you run. You're an idiot. Bye. I'm going to bed. And go to your bed, go have sense because I don't know what's wrong with you. Idiot.
You subscribe yet? You subscribe yet?
This one goes out to my special baby. My heart in you and for. Oh, hey. Baby, thank you for not giving up on me. Baby girl, I know it's not easy. It's not easy. Dealing with a mess like me. Thank you for not giving up on me. Baby girl, I know that it ain't easy. Dealing with a mess like me. There are days I know you felt like giving up on what you believe. There is such a big difference with wants and needs. I don't need no reference. Girl, you are all I need. Heart signed and sealed. Thank you for not giving up on me. Baby girl, I know it's not easy. It's not easy. Dealing with a mess like me. Thank you for not giving up on me. Baby girl, I know that it ain't easy. Dealing with a mess like me. Years, tears. Now I know what it means.
Wow, so wash down the beast.
How go on, man?
Yeah, did.
Yeah, I'm sick.
Yeah,
Dry clean it because boy rough for the water and them there end time, you know.
I mean, I tell you, I'm a rough. Look, I can mean with the water, man. You can't show look water on it, man.
Hello. What go on with you?
You know, says I link my cup gear for I want to ask you a question. You remember one girl one time, man? Let me see. She did box you. I think it was by your birthday too, you know. Yes, so you as a matter of fact, you're not supposed to forget that.
Why you see one of these me a cheat? Not sure.
Same girl with things say did that
Jesus.
cheat for her, my brother.
So I'm to her. She book her too?
No, yeah, no man. She not book her too, you know. But you know what me? Over here one conversation. Yeah man, both her say she did a look a plumber. If you come fix something down at the yard.
Okay.
I don't know what come over me, you know. I decided say yo, me I go check that thing. But
hold on. At the same time, you come here make a phone call which day then you talk about some sitting. But you never explain to me certain things. Are that same somebody there?
the same person there, brother.
Jesus Christ.
But no, me actually think me think about it and feel like me have to talk to you first because you don't know I respect the code.
Yeah,
I want to know if that is good by you.
Brother, I'm good enough because I don't want to see that again and that me I tell you, you know.
Yes?
What you mean, man? You have a blessing. I'm the curse as well.
Me like the last part.
What about it? Because I tell you, it's a road where you have to go make sure so you're sure where you go. But yeah, I'm not discouraged. I'm not discouraged. Sorry about that. You have a blessing.
Why? Me not lie to you, no man. When time you say she want a plumber, no brother. And then I go look for the girl. I go with the intention say, oh, I probably go recommend somebody. But when I see the blouse and skirt, girl, my boss, me turn plumber, me turn mechanic, me turn carpenter, and I want. I don't know what I could do.
Yeah, man, she have a
Brother?
nice appeal, man. I think. Turn up.
Oh, goodness, man. I'm going to give you a tip. But, well, being honest, not lie to you. You know, so 2 weeks now, I'm there, and she just look like she has kind of give me a little conversation still. Yeah, man, she did a whole lot for me a little bit, but she had talk, she had warm up a little bit to me now.
Yeah, because the last time I check it out, well, let me check it out, you know, so when you're interested about certain things, people like your information to you. He said she have a little long distance relationship go on there.
Well,
You know, so, I don't know.
yeah, man, I
Oh,
try
yeah.
to walk in for the short term, you know?
Eh?
Yeah, man. Feel like it can work out, man.
Yeah,
She
man,
cool,
do you
you
think?
know, brother. But I still need to learn some more about this sing thing. So you probably need to go help me, you know.
Hold on. You know, so I'm going to be honest with you. I don't know how you come link me to their beef, man, but you see our sister.
Oh, go on, yeah. She
Our
have a sister.
I mean, man, she have a sister. Come on, some delay.
Two of them?
Yes. Our sister check for me certain way and she go on like she want to draw me in certain. But me not really, no, dugu no go on yet. You understand me? I say, cause me I say, boy, I not really want to touch that base because over that side are kind of terrible.
Hold on. And me, I tell that?
The school, man. So you believe me?
Yeah, me, I tell that.
So you believe
You.
me? Go school, man. Me change them, I'm a different kind of person.
Alright, anything you say.
Yeah, man, but
Anything you say.
really and truly, I don't really want to go there, but she's a nice girl and things. So I groom her in the way how, you know what I mean? If we do something, we don't feel like me guilty. You know what I'm with?
Feel like me guilty. Well, me depend on the bigger sister case, I'm guilty as charged. As a matter of fact, I'm going to go get ready right now for the link her cause she said she want me to fix her sink. And the
boy.
sink I shall fix.
What do you mean? Well, go on, do your thing.
Yes, I.
I
So,
pray for you and
big up yourself. You
me
know?
always dressed in the black, so anything go on and I'm ready for you. Feel like, nah, man, that's cool, man. You take things. I joke, man. Joke, man. If you laugh about joke.
That's style.
That's cool, man. So, yo.
As I say, you get your blessing for God deal with it.
Yeah, man. It's a sure shot.
Alright.
So I wish you all the best. Yes, sir.
Alright.
And do your thing. If I don't you call me, because I know looking before the club right now.
No, if I nothing.
Yeah.
I feel link you because we want some more help and
Advice.
right.
Alright. Oh, yes,
For
sir.
what I go on.
Yeah.
So,
Big up yourself and thing. Yes, sir.
let's
Alright,
later
Papa.
on. Get
Yeah.
to use some water, man. Jesus Christ, man. That's what you me.
This one goes out to my special baby. My heart in you and for. Oh, hey. Baby, thank you for not giving up on me. Baby girl, I know it's not easy. It's not easy. Dealing with a mess like me. Thank you for not giving up.
Babe. What? No. Because I have a client. I had a client this morning while you were calling. So I couldn't get to take the call. I have a next client now, but I can't tell. So you never better go work? No, no man, you can't talk, man. No, me say like me say, me been busy from morning, me have a client and me just start another one, but me soon finish. You want to stay for the call until me done? Why not? Can you send me a picture of me see? Oh, that's nice. Me like that. But the gold better, you know, me not really like silver. The gold better. But then I look for a couple with you know, I go send you a photo. And we can do like the couple one, like you can get half and me get
Ma'am,
Right. Huh?
you can.
Oh, my bad. No, man, I decline it. Yeah. Oh, let me see it. Yeah, like that. The gold one look nicer. So you still have send the money to sort out the plumber and get the other stuff them done? Right. Yeah, mommy said so, but I know work. And you have work to as well. So. I don't know. Let me check back it and see how much claim I have tomorrow. Maybe we can. No, man, I don't think so. We can't wait till I come either. So I'm going to have clients tomorrow, back until about 6.
Miss, you have a current client.
Okay, yeah? No, it's alright, I say. She have to go wait either you come don't start her either. So she go to get up and walk with her church? With her ear off then? Well, because so awesome. I don't know and I don't care. Me don't start her ear already, so she can get up and walk with her church. She pay me already too. That's why I take deposit. Right? So if they're late, I still make my money. Because if I not talk to you from all, I'm supposed to make the car go on. And I can always make back that little change, yeah? Exactly. Maybe, but like me some like the goal better. Can you hear me? You can hear me better now? No, I'm outside on the veranda, but the call now pick up.
You come to do my hair or you come to make phone call?
Babe, listen. Obviously, me do your ear. I've been do good. I'm gonna stop from the start of the ear. Look how far I reach, but I get a call me and talk to my boyfriend that. Not alright?
Listen, I have places to go. We have to finish before nightfall. It's getting dark.
Okay. Babe, you have to go stay with me and let me call you back in a few hours. Okay, baby. Love you too. Alright. You don't feel like you could have been more patient?
I've been trying to be patient with you.
Well, no worries. I appreciate it. But it's a long time when I talk to you, you know?
Yeah. Alright, I understand that. I have a boyfriend too.
Okay.
You coulda call it quits and go on. So easy for you find a rich man, but it's clear that is not your plan. You choose me for who
Hey, babe, you are going. The day I'm here still, you know. But, you come up here?
Yeah, I need to talk to you about something, but you're not moving.
You mean to me now move right? Alright, listen. Me know say certain things are really set the way you want to hear, but you have some work to go deal with afterwards, you know. So if you have come, you have to come early and things, yeah?
You're going to leave out now, so we should be.
You leave out right now?
Yes.
You take taxi and come?
Yeah, because you're not coming to me.
Alright, but nobody expects certain things, you know.
You won't come with that.
But here, I mean, I really have no money to go do here right now. So if you come in the yard, you can't get no money right now. I'm going to go to a bank.
You know I'm not putting you on the you have come to me.
You want, so you really will if you have to come cuss me? And that you really going to do? And that you really say out your mouth? But, alright, forward. But, alright, yeah, forward. Just forward the answer. Later, maybe I'll wait for you. Alright. So where say I go over there?
Why? John Star. Now I know what make you do what you're doing.
You talk about the girl, you know, not sure.
Brother. Oh, God. I have to go come closer to tell you this, man.
So what go down now?
Big man. You know, should I did listen? Should I listen to you? Because when me see you walk away from such a girl who looks so good, me should have did know better. Big man thing, you know. Brother, me look on the girl and I say, oh, this a girl is too good for be true. And I tell you, say, no matter how me bat, me in a crease and me a bat like a Brian Lara, me bat like a Shonda Paul. Me say, me don't know who me a bat like.
I'm mad somebody, me tell you already, but sometimes people have to experience life for themselves. You cannot see the kind of person. But when a person show you who they are and you believe it, believe it.
Brother, the girl not give me no forward.
Yes, now.
A blank page me I get.
But believe me, you see if she wants to see something like a benefit out of you, maybe she don't try. Like maybe you look at money or you know what I mean.
Try to say, me know nothing about me?
No, me not say that, but some woman really is not about what about you.
Them have to see.
It's about what they want from. You understand me I say? But don't worry yourself, man. There's many more fishes in the sea. You know what I mean?
But we did want that one day.
That one day, not true?
Yeah, man, that one day would have look good on my right side, yes, man. Yeah, man, would have look good. Yeah, brother, girl proper, me and tell you sometimes girl shape good, man. You know, a long time Coca-Cola bottle, eh? I saw the girl shape, you know, man.
That's true, man. Let me tell you, she give me one side ass on my face. Can't bother with that. She too angry and aggressive at the time. I don't know if she changed, you know, because things can. I want you.
Got my phone to vibrate. And hello? Hey! Yeah, man, me just yo, you know, me just there talk about you. Yeah, man, oh, we are talk about? Me just there talk about you. Me say me just do, hey, me just tell my virgin, oh, you're nice and oh, you look good. And me have to come link you back, you know, baby girl. Believe when time I tell you, say the ears must ring. Hey, from morning and stop run up and down for my hair right now, your foot them supposed to tired. Believe no, man. Hey, I appear run up and down in my mind, no, baby girl. Hear me, I say. What you say? I lie, I tell. You serious? Tell me, say you serious. Say it again. She said she woke up and eat. What time? What time for forward? Yeah? Yeah, man. I'm gonna wear all my new underpants. Don't worry. Yeah, man. Alright. I'm gonna get that trim right now and come give you a link. Yeah, man. Don't worry about me, girl. Just cool, man. Me say we have everything covered. Anything we need to find me, we find it. Alright. Cool. Yeah, man. Alright. You see you now? I don't like how you talk sometime, you know. That day I talk to the girl now, give me no forward and watch it. Hey!
Come on, here.
No, but watch it now.
Babu, come on, here.
But watch it now. You really follow what I say a while ago still.
Yeah, man, everything good.
But watch it now. No, watch it now, brother. But I can't, you couldn't, how if you say this, how if you tell she, you know?
Well, yeah, man, go on now. Go on, do your thing.
Listen, man. You see, all what I say a while ago? Nobody say it. Nobody thinks me say it. Just reverse it. Just send it back up the stairs. You see it?
Matter of fact, me I go up the stairs now.
You never hear what I say a while ago?
Yeah, man, just enjoy your time. I did you.
I'm going to tell you what I want, man.
Alright.
Me, I'm going to tell you what I want. Hey, hold on, I have a question there, though.
What's the question?
Matthew's a one expensive restaurant?
Nah, man, she is a very ideal spot.
It's good.
You know, yeah, location.
So it's not going to cost too much?
Nah, man, you know.
Alright, my boss.
You pay for what you order, and you order what you eat. You know what I mean? Cause yeah, so you go.
As long as it pocket friendly, me can.
Yeah, man.
Alright, my boss, to say a word, you know. You meet.
Yeah, man.
Later, my boss.
One of matches, man.
Yes.
Really, girls down so good. Can't believe it. Man up, man.
This one goes out to my special baby. My heart in you and for. Oh, hey. Baby, thank you for not giving up on me. Baby girl, I know it's not easy.
Nicole, I'm here for you, Marco.
Don't tell me say you're there and wait for me to cuss me.
What do you mean me there wait for you to cuss? You know what me there for. Or if you just run you the other day, so like, you could stand up and defend me? What kind of man you be?
You understand what I said to you first before you do that? Eh? You understand where me I come from? You have it? Alright, you see based on how you look on it. I see your sister me when the things me know she still violent.
So
you understand? Me no want she go and find on thump on or something, so me take myself, so me take on myself. But
so listen, you couldn't even stay 1-2 minutes to hear what she has to say. You know what she said, she don't business boy. But tell you this, I mean don't care. If she there with you, that's not my business. That didn't know a part of the Bible, Marco. If you love me, you love me.
yeah, but you know your sister? Think about it for 1 second.
No.
You know your sister how aggressive she is?
You think about whose sister is it?
Yeah.
Yours or mine?
See and
okay.
I'm not go far. But me I take myself out there. So you know what? Me now come back up your yard for right now and me don't want you to feel like say boy afraid or not, but just out of respect for the fact say, you know, even up there me and she do things already.
Okay, you can't tell me that. If you want to come up in your life right now, you're happy.
Listen, make we do it in a way where we're both comfortable. I want you to comfortable and make me comfortable. I'm not comfortable up there, so I don't like how she, you don't know who and what she bring me through, you know. That type of problem, you know. See those pieces boy, that's me just put my foot in my hand and run because I'm afraid I'm a coward and wait.
And
I laugh, you really laugh.
Because it's funny, because you're making funny. You're making a situation where you're trying to be funny, Marco. Be serious for once.
I am serious for once.
You're not comfortable with me. Suppose me to tell us I'm not comfortable with family right now.
But it's a feel at my place and it can be feel place too.
It can go both ways.
Like how? But up there, so your sister lives and
So
me alone live
forever
there.
coming, so
So alright, if you want we go rent one place together that you want and we have one house here so feel said. Why sense? That makes sense?
So suppose me can me not available to come here. How am I going to
Why you not available to come to my yard? Why?
Oh,
Why you
shut
do?
up,
Yeah, but why?
No, why you shout up?
Me not show us at all a little bit strong.
Okay. You listen to me now?
Been listening to you, but you know hear me I say.
Okay. This can go both ways, Marco. Okay? Both ways. I need you. If me can say, you can come over here, me need you come to me. You suppose you can come and tell me about your sister up there. She don't busy about it. This is about us, not her. She had her chance.
Let time make things work out. You understand? Right now, just come hug me up and we're going to sleep. You're vexed with me. Alright, I'm going to leave you and sleep. I'm tired, you know.
You see, you don't even care about me.
What me say not care?
You're supposed to a person
but
you hug you up.
Yeah, but we like run it. Come on.
Yes, because...
And that you want me to run it down? Come on. It's the end of my time now. It's a two-way street, not a one-way street. Me run you down halfway and you run come meet me in the middle. In the middle. You understand?
But if me
so see me here, we make one step, come.
If you say, me figure you want to go and say no, and you know some vex. You go and take the up because you know some vex. You don't be say go.
I'm not going to take the up. I'm going to know say vex and school out. Me the halfway, you come hug me up or not?
You know they're not halfway. Yeah, this is halfway, Marco.
Me the halfway. You come for you or you not come for you? You're trouble. But guess what now? Me I work 9 time, so what you do?
I'm going to stay.
You stay?
Yes.
I'm going to leave. I relax. I just no problem.
This one goes out to my special baby. My heart in you and for. Oh, hey. Baby, thank you for not giving up on me. Baby girl, I know it's not easy. It's not easy dealing with a mess like me. Thank you for not giving up on me. Baby girl, I know that it ain't easy dealing with a mess like
You think me no know say there?
Listen, I go want 1 week with you. And if I get the 1 week with you,
Take time, sir. What are you doing here?
me I tell you what me I do here.
What are you doing here?
I want a week with you.
That can't happen. You
Oh.
know
Oh,
oh, you know
can't
me I
happen.
come. Oh, you know me I come.
don't worry yourself. I have my people them for call me. But see, if you get the week with you, sir, me I go send off the whole of the picture them, the whole of the video them.
Hold on. So that was a aim? That was the reason why you talked to me and video call? Because most of the time I want to
And that
talk
you
to
worry
you.
about?
Huh?
And that you worry about? Just now make me get the week with you and you will see. And we can send it off right now. So make up your mind. It's a yes or a no.
So you say, you're going to release the video them?
And that not gonna do if you not agree.
We don't have to go there, man. We don't have to go there. Alright, make a move for it. Let's go. Hey, yo, we can't. What you really depend? Where you depend? I don't understand. Where you depend? Me just come.
So me depend.
Hey, look here, man. Me never plan for this. Me tired, you know. Me just come off of one connected flight a while ago.
Me look
tired,
like me care. I don't care. Cause first of all, y'all come and you know tell me that I want disrespect.
What you want? Mash up my life? What you want? Mash up my relationship?
If I that don't go on and that go happen. Because what? You disrespect me now.
Hey, look here.
We make an agreement, sir.
You can't understand, you know? What you want to leave video for now?
Because you disrespect me.
Oh, you know somebody that come? Who tell you?
You don't need to know that.
No, man. Me not gonna need to know, man. Me not gonna
No,
find
you
out.
don't need to know that. Because I'm not going to tell you how me know so you come.
I know. A styling thing happen. You know me different, man. Right now, I'm tired. I need to go in right now. Go hold off a race and them thing there. You see it?
Looking at my face, I look like my business if you want tired. I don't care.
Okay, this here.
Oh, I never know that. If I never know that, you know now.
Can't believe. So, really and truly, look for the place. The money when I send come, you fix the place. All I want to this look
That's
like
a chicken change.
What do you mean
Chicken change.
You know hard me
That
for
can be
your work?
out.
You know hard me for your work up, sir? What do you mean chicken change?
A chicken change.
But after the work out in a 200,000 Jamaican. So what happened? You couldn't do that?
No.
No, man, you do me bad, man. I know some is a good youth.
If me did that do you bad, would I hire somebody to kidnap you? Would you come here for myself?
So how that would help you?
Oh, how that would help?
I know.
You really want to know how that would help me?
Look at going out. Yo. It's right now, man.
Stop it grumbling.
Yo, scare them. Yeah, man, we're up on the ground, man. You know, so straight my call, I know WhatsApp. Boy, I'm there, you change the plan. I have a shirt and sit them together, brother. But boy, I'm tell you, so I want like a pretty comment, man. You tell you, so you're not gonna believe what's going on, brother. No, I tell you, say, you see them girl, I'm there tell about, brother. Right, ready, sister. No, she pull up on me as I drive in, brother. A good thing, say. You look like mama in her back room or something, bro. I plan, say she a plan to blackmail me and like video call when I call, and that's why I have to video call man in the youth. When me do around her yard, that's a brother. So she actually hold me hostage, brother, as a slave around here. Say me nah, say, yeah, say she a go release the video them if me and spend 1 week with her. So around her place me there, I burn her for 1 week. Brother, it's a 1 week I come like a 2 year. I scare them, I have to sit down to my youth. Everything in my bag right now, everything. Soon come link you, man. You see it? And just that go on, brother. But when I shout upon, nothing can, you know, nothing in mind where you could have worked on because you know a girl already, you know nothing in mind where you could have do and free me. Sitting there for work out, man. If you see it, just think about it, man. Yeah. Because I can't even make mama know something there, you know. But I want to move from your brother. You see it? Yeah, man, so thing them, no send them forward. Alright. Yeah, no send them forward, man. Know yourself, man. See? I'm so call about that. No, I don't know, man. I'm so call about, man.
You not see me?
Alright. You like how you're
When
going,
you see me, you have to come off of the phone same time, sir.
Elisa, I don't want you to make the president feel like say, yo, man, I don't know. Spoon now, you know. No,
So
man,
let me ask you a question. The business boy, you are your virgin? No.
No, I don't want no man to shout at me, no, man.
Oh,
So
all you do stop me.
So my reason
When me shout after you, stop me. Anyways, we want the next road. Come on. When me talk, if you move same time, you know? Come on. Come.
Oh, I'm tired, you know, man.
Tired? I tell you this, you worry about. Oh, what could have caused this?
You subscribe yet?
This one goes out to my special baby, my heart in you and for. Oh, hey, baby, thank you for not giving up on me. Baby girl, I know it's not easy. It's not easy dealing with a mess like me. Thank you for not giving up on me. Baby girl, I know that it ain't easy dealing with a mess like me. There are days I know you felt like giving up on what you believe. There is such a big difference with wants and needs. I don't need no reference. Girl, you are all I need. Coulda call it quits and go. So easy for you find a rich man, but it's clear that is not your plan. You choose me for who I am. Cause when nothing I want and the bills them pile up, you still hold on. We never get the blessing from your mother or your father. You still hold on. Thank you for not giving up on me. Baby girl, I know it's not easy. It's not easy dealing with a mess like me. Thank you for not giving up on me. Baby girl, I know that it ain't easy.